se ki ka ofi Mingu ke a se konge para o le aso amore oki Koe ke paila ni rupa o kako ka pa awalangi Samoa mo Samoa ia maua le ferfangi Le pā le uso para ia maua loko e kasi Makua i whanga maku fifi whakasi
Lord, I've been crying for my people's lives I've been cast away from this life Living in pain that passes by Lord, hear my cry Give us hope Give us hope Happiness and love turn into a fire Respect one another has been put aside Got our families back into the light Lord, hear my cry Give us hope Give us hope
Close my eyes, I'm down on my knees. Pray to the man above, tell him what we need. We need hope, we need love, we need help. He's the one to go to, cause there's no one else. Father of our fathers, you know my situation. Everywhere I see people in bad temptation. Now I got nowhere to go because of frustration. Tell me what to do, Lord, cause I'm running out of patience. I worry for the future of all the young ages. It's sad for me to see the pain in the faces. If I could, and I would, change places I should, for the good, for all nations. Change needs to be made, now is the time. Please hear my cry, Lord, and let your light shine. If it's wrong what I'm doing, then tell me that I'm lying. All I got is hope and that's the only thing on my mind.
Lord, I've been crying for my people's lives I've been cast away from this life Living in pain that passes by Lord, hear my cry Give us hope Give us hope Happiness and love turn into a fire Respect one another has been put aside Got our families back into the light Lord, hear my cry Give us hope Give us hope Lord, hear my cry Let your light shine To your people's lives Help us reunite Give us hope Give us
Hope for my people when we hope for respect. Together around better, let our wish and fit there. Unite and recite our culture, no threat. With the other little love it as a start for a change. And I said, I put your trust in me. Stop out the fight, accumulating. Stop out the fight, accumulating.
My brothers and sisters, we need to get together. Let's make a better future for us, or maybe better. We're weakening each other like it really doesn't matter. Let's climb up and stay up, and I'll be your leader. I'm pushing my message hard like a stormy weather. Need not to stay apart and being like whatever. Both you and I know this whole thing ain't clever, cause I know that this thing ain't gonna last forever.